Bharatpur woman overcomes severe leg and thigh injuries with Ilizarov treatment. Anjana, a young woman from Bharatpur, sustained severe injuries to her right leg and thigh in a bike accident, resulting in the loss of 10 centimeters of thigh bone and 4 centimeters of leg bone. Due to the severity of her injuries, she was referred to Jaipur for advanced treatment. There, the Ilizarov technique, a specialized method of bone lengthening and stabilization, was applied to help her bones regenerate. Over the course of a year, Anjana made remarkable progress. Thanks to the Ilizarov treatment, she regained 10 centimeters of thigh bone and 4 centimeters of leg bone. Throughout her recovery, Anjana's determination was evident as she walked 5 kilometers every day. This regular physical activity not only accelerated her healing, but also significantly improved her strength and overall mobility. 2 months ago, the Ilizarov frame was successfully removed, marking a significant milestone in her recovery journey. Since then, Anjana's gait has continued to improve steadily, and she remains committed to regaining full mobility. Her inspiring story highlights the effectiveness of advanced medical techniques and her resilience in overcoming adversity.